In this video, we will learn how to use VLOOKUP in Excel sheet. So let's start. Here I'm going to explain you in simple way VLOOKUP in Excel sheet. Let's start. This is my sales data. You can see here. This is a full detail of sales data. The order ID, order date, ship modes, customer ID, customer name, segment, country, city, state, everything, product name, sales, quantity, discount, profit. There is a one thing here missing, the salesperson. Who is the salesperson of every sales? So I have the second sheet. This is a salesperson as per the customer ID. It means this salesperson handle this customer to get this sell. So if you want to check, just copy the one customer ID. You can search here. You can see here this customer ID, this sales person handle these cells as per this customer ID. Now I want to enter here name of salesperson as per customer ID. So let's start. Use the VLOOKUP is equal to VLOOKUP. Select first customer ID, then comma. Go to the second sheet. Select the both column, comma. Select the two as a column. Salesperson is a second column, so that's why I'm enter here two and again comma and just enter. You get here the salesperson name. Just copy, select this cells, press the N and down arrow. You get the down, again shift control upper arrow and control V. That's it. The formula is copied in on all cell. You can see here the salesperson of as per the customer ID name is entered in queue. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.